Pillar SC is our newest fungicide. It is an intrinsic brand fungicide, meaning it delivers plant health benefits. This is targeted for the LCO market. It is made up of two active ingredients that you're very familiar with, triticonnazole and pyraclostrobin. So Trinity and Insignia, two well-proven fungicides in an SC or a suspension concentrate formulation. It can be used pretty much on all use sites except golf, so residential and commercial lawns, along with athletic fields, sod farms, parks, and other areas. One of the nice things about Pillar SC is simple to use because there's only one rate on the label. So you don't need to change the rate depending on the disease that you're targeting. 1 ounce per 1,000 square feet, meaning 43.6 ounces per acre. As far as the diseases that are on the label, there are 26 different diseases listed and pretty much can control any problem that you're going to have out there on your turf grass. Now, when it comes to the cool season diseases, brown patch, dollar spot, and some foliar diseases like rust and red thread and leaf spot, very effective on. And one of the nice things is this particular product controls both dollar spot and brown patch, which can look very, very similar in a lawn. On the left is dollar spot, and there on the right is brown patch. When it comes to warm season diseases, very effective control a large patch. And then in Bermuda grass, take all root rot. This product is very effective, along with some foliar diseases like dollar spot and leaf spots. Here is a lawn in Florida that was treated when we first launched Pillar SC. It was very weak. It was not being irrigated properly, had some disease problems. And what we did was we applied Pillar SC to this lawn, 2 applications, and you're looking at it 2 months after the second application was made. And obviously, this lawn is totally turned around, great disease control, but also those plant health benefits that intrinsic products deliver show up here. So Pillar SC is going to bring some really, really good curb appeal to your customers. We know we can deliver great disease control and also those plant health benefits that you're so accustomed to with the intrinsic products.